Today we are going to learn another concept of class 1 chapter number 1 shapes and space. Look, this is a picture. Okay, there are two girls. This is one, this is another one. Okay, one girl is on a top and other one is at bottom. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the topic of top and bottom. Top मतलब ऊपर and bottom मतलब नीचे, down. Okay, this is one more picture you can see here which shows top and bottom. This monkey is on top and this monkey is on bottom. Let's start the concept with top and bottom. This is a slide. This boy is on top of a slide. This one at bottom. ये boy ऊपर है, ये boy नीचे है. This is a picture of a tree. This bird on a tree top and this cat down at a bottom. Before that I have showed you two pictures. मैंने आपको दो pictures बताई थी. We have discussed top and bottom in that picture. हमने उनमें top and bottom के बारे में discuss किया है. Now we will solve this picture. ये जो पॉटर का picture है, we will solve this picture. ये जो red circle है pots के ऊपर, from these three pots we have to find out which pot is on top and we have to tick mark that pot. Okay, हमें tick mark करना है कौन सा pot सबसे ऊपर है. So this one is top, no. This one is top, no. This one is top, yes. ये सबसे ऊपर वाला pot है, सबसे top वाला. Now come to next picture. You can see your staircase. We have to find out which animal at the bottom of the staircase. कौन सा animal bottom पे है? Here we can see two animals. See, animal number 1 and here is another one. From both these animal we have to find out which animal at the bottom of the staircase. So this one is at the bottom. Okay, from this concept we have understand कि ऊपर और नीचे, ऊपर को टॉप कहा जाता है एंड नीचे को बॉटम कहा जाता है. Okay, now we will discuss concept nearer and further. You can see this picture. In this you can see a tree, a home and a birds. Now you have to find out which bird is nearer to home. So this bird is nearer to home. ये bird home के नज़दीक है. Now let's go on another picture. You can see here tree. This is one animal, this is second one and this is third one. You have to find out which animal is further from the tree. कौन सा animal tree के दूर है? तो ये animal तो tree के नज़दीक है, ये भी नज़दीक है थोड़ा, पर ये सबसे दूर है. So this animal is further from tree. From both these picture we have understood the concept of nearer and further. Start with the concept nearest and furthest. Nearest मतलब नज़दीक, furthest मतलब दूर. Okay, you can see this picture. In this you can see three children, 1, 2 and 3, and this is a swing. This boy is nearest to swing and this girl is furthest to swing. ये girl दूर है swing के और ये boy नज़दीक है swing के. Now we will solve one picture. This is picture number 1. We have to find out which puppy is furthest from the tree. See, this is a tree and we are having 4 puppy. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this we have to find out which is furthest. सबसे दूर कौन सा puppy है? So this one is furthest puppy from the tree. Now come to next picture. we have to find out the nearest tree to the bird. We are having 3 tree, 1 2 3. कौन सी ट्री बर्ड के बहुत नज़दीक है, नियरेस्ट है, हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो दिस इज द ट्री विच इज़ नियरेस्ट टू द bird. So today we have covered the topic of top and bottom, nearer and further, and nearest and furthest. Next topic will be conducted in next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe.